Hi. Now I want you to go to page 35 in your story packet for dictation when you are ready. Okay. Get your pencil. Then on page 35, write the missing letters. Okay. I say the word, you write the missing letter that you hear. Ready? Number 1, Sam. Number 2, tan. Number 3, fat. Number 4, taxi. Number 5, mat. Number 6, bus. Number 7, come. Number 8, luck. Number 9, hot. Number 10, nut. Number 11, pan. Number 12, run. Number 13, work. Number 14, get. Okay? Now, go to WhatsApp, take a picture, text it to me. I see you on Wednesday at 6:15.